I want you guys to think bigger. Everyone say the word think bigger. Isa pa. The reason why sometimes we're limited with what we're getting right now is because we're thinking with our job. We're not thinking bigger. The only person who dictates whether ang bibilin nyo ay isa or 1,000, ikaw lang. The only person that will decide kung ang bibilin ni client isa or 1,000. Sino? Pakisabi ako. Ask me why. Kasi kilala mo na yung audience mo, they're gonna buy. The only question if they will buy 1 or 5, 1 or 10, 1 or 50, 1 or 100 is who? Because it's the same process. It's the same sales script. It's the same formula. It's the same pattern. Or don't tell me, Coach, ang nag-aano lang kasi sa akin, isa. Ask me why. Kasi ikaw lang ang nag-live in sa sarili mo, isa lang ang bibili sa'yo. At any given moment.